Hey there, welcome back to Ayogashop YouTube channel, and this is my Redmi Note 10 and I have built and installed InfinityX 3.12 on it. So let's first set up the ROM and then I will show you the features as well as the UI of the ROM. Let me first turn off the dark mode so you can see well. And this is the about page of the ROM. As you can see, it is based on Android 16 GPR2, which is the last update for this ROM. The next update will be Android 17. Everything like face and fingerprint unlock works fine, as well as app hide and app lock. The storage usage is also fine, like 110 GB free almost. And the battery backup is also good. It also has K profile, so you can adjust it for performance or battery. Now inside the Infinity suite there are so many customizations. For example, the clock style. As you can see, there are several options here, so you can choose whatever you like. And this is the device info widget, as you can see in the lock screen. This ROM also has tap to wallpaper effect and it looks very cool. This ROM also has all the spoofing options as I have shown in the previous video of passing play integrity. So you can also use banking apps in here. There are several customization features as well and you can explore them yourself. The camera quality compared to stock is way better. As you can see the details in the picture, although my camera is blurry but still it captured a great image. This ROM also has a sandbox feature. You can set a password pin or pattern and a security question for recovery, and then you can hide or lock an app. You can also hide or lock photos, videos or any files. Overall, the performance and RAM usage of this ROM is very good. As you can see, I am getting about 3.3 GB free out of 6 GB. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.